Volvo proudly claims that few people have saved as many lives as Niels Bohlin, and they are right. Niels Bohlin is the little-known Volvo engineer who invented the V-type three-point safety belt in 1959 and saw his innovation through to universal adoption across the motor industry. His new cross-strap design made seatbelts much easier to use and much safer too. It is hard now to imagine cars without them. Volvo patented the design standard industrial practice to protect their investment from copycats. Good patent offer you a desirable advantage over rivals' 20 years of monopoly rights in the US. Having claimed this prize, Volvo was in position to change significant license fees, for example, to rivals, or indeed to promote their cars as they safe by retaining the exclusivity. Remarkably, however, Volvo did neither but made Bohlin's patent immediately available to all. Having sponsored the R&D, they gifted their design to competitors to encourage mass production and to save lives.